It's a secret we're keeping, whispers in the air. Family members coming from everywhere. Marika and Paul are waiting, can't be late. Counting down the moment till we celebrate. Shh, don't let it slip away. Tonight's the night we have to play. Surprise, surprise, it's your special day. Let's open the doors and shout hooray. Joy, laughter, fill the room tonight. With friends and love, everything feels right.
Well, hello and welcome back, and thank you for coming back. Today, well, views to die for, rocks to die for, and on top of all of that, the most beautiful woman in the world. I'm going to introduce you to her now, and her name is Miss Ochin Labuf.
Hello everybody, how nice to see you again and again.
And again, we really have got views to die for, absolutely spectacular. You've got two big boys parked up over there, and you've got the blueness of that beautiful, spectacular Mediterranean Sea. Because we have a bit of a theme on this channel. The sky is blue, the sea is blue, I'm dressed head to toe in blue, so all that's actually missing is
You! So get yourself on a big bird or a canoe and start paddling like crazy, because Cyprus is simply waiting just for you.
and it is. And the sun today is absolutely beaming down on Cyprus, the island of love, and we're in downtown Limassol, and we'd like you to come for a little walk with us along this rather spectacular wooden construction. It's a great pathway above the rocks. The highway is up there to the right, and of course the blue way is over there to the left. And it really doesn't get much better than that. Feast your eyes and digest the beautiful blue Mediterranean Sea as we look out from the Limassol coastline and look at the beautiful rock formations. And I'm pretty sure that Ochin is probably going to get down there and do a little bit of monkeying around. That is for sure. Look at that. One of the greatest views in the world. Miss Ochin rear end, and it's framed by the beautiful blue Mediterranean Sea as we walk along this beautiful wooden pathway. And I'm pretty sure now she's going to take a left. Yep.
Should we go down?
Well, we may as well, Ochin, and we will follow you and see what you're going to do today.
Well, somebody had a very good evening
There we
here.
are. Someone's had a drink or two, that's for sure. Let's try and stick with Labuf as we go and do a bit of rock dancing as usual.
Look at this beauty. It seems to me that all the world was presented to us all, because it's simply to die for. Over there you can see a lovely buildings, the huge new buildings that you're observing further down. On the left hand side you see the blue Mediterranean Sea. All these lovely pathways waiting for you.
Moment? You obviously don't know your left from your right.
Left.
Because that's the
Right. No, it's because you're standing there. I'm standing
She
there.
often makes fun of me and my left and right.
Yes.
Right. But what she's trying to tell you is, look at that. That's the blue Mediterranean Sea. And there's some beautiful rock formations. And I'm pretty sure that Labuf is going to show us her walking and climbing talents, because she does like to do a little bit of monkeying around on the rocks. Keeps us oldies fit. And we go and show you downtown Limassol. Have a look at that. So there's that little bit of fight in the blue Mediterranean Sea. Just when you think it had gone all calm, it's decided to get that little bit chopsy as we come down to the rocks. So, Labuf, take it away.
As you know, when we come closer to the sea, it's trying to eat us all the time.
Let's follow that rear end as she transcends across the rocks like an angel. So as I was saying, nobody is going to show you Cyprus the way that we show you Cyprus. No one is as stupid as us, and of course no one is quite as adventurous or as daring as us. So there's a perfectly good wooden constructed pathway above us, but hey, why not walk along the actual shoreline itself? That's what me and Graciela Leboeuf are going to do, and hopefully we won't get too wet. But stick with us. She's run for cover already. The cameraman has got to keep up with her. But look at that for a rock
That
formation.
should be the way
The
out
beauty
of
and the
case.
spectacality. Absolutely
Nice.
spectacular.
Beautiful rocks.
Let's see if we can catch up with Graciela Leboeuf's rear end. She doesn't make it easy for the cameraman, that's for sure. Ow! That was one of the wood struts. In fact, it was that
dear.
one. There we are. I want a
Are we
shorter cameraman.
trapped now?
Sorry?
We are trapped, Mr.
See,
Paul.
I'm the one that does all the suffering. That's what I've come to notice. Graciela Leboeuf, take the camera and film me for a moment. Oh, there we are. As I said, I'm the one that does all the suffering for YouTube.
Dear.
There we are, Graciela Leboeuf. Film the beautiful, beautiful view.
Look at this beautiful, beautiful Mediterranean.
And show the people
sea.
again. Look at
Mr.
that.
Paul
Look
is
at
having
that.
a little bit of bath.
There we are.
He's an Aphrodite having a bath. He's just come out from the foam. Well done, Miss Aphrodite. How are you feeling?
Well, there we go. Back to the view. Back to the beauty and the spectacality. It's easy for her. She's very light on her feet. And of course, she's not carrying any camera. And of course, she's not carrying any filming equipment. Off she goes like a little rabbit. Hopefully you're enjoying it, and hopefully you're going to stick with us. And we're in downtown. How am I supposed to get up there, Graciela Leboeuf? Right, stick with us. Here we go.
You are tall enough, Mr.
I'm
Paul.
tall enough, just about, yeah. Doesn't get much better than that, that's for sure. Right, let's catch up with Graciela Leboeuf. She's just over yonder. Still transcending these rather spectacular rocks. Great, great rock formation on the coastline of Paphos in Limassol.
I would like you to show to the dearest people how the sea has drawn this lovely picture. It's a work of
Yeah,
art.
it has. The sea has created its own art as it's dibbling and dabbling on the rock formations, and it's crafting away, and it truly is something worth coming to see. It really, really doesn't get much better than that.
And I think we survived because very soon the steps, I've seen the steps, we're
So let's
going
keep going, Graciela Leboeuf, because obviously we can't continue to walk all the way back to Paphos along the rocky coastline. So we've got to get back up to safety. So we'll follow the rear end of Graciela Leboeuf. It's not a bad thing to follow, that's for sure. I'll try and not smack my head on that bar. That one would hurt, because that's steel. But beautiful, beautiful rock formations, truly beautiful. Almost as beautiful as watching Graciela Leboeuf's rear end.
Woohoo!
There she is, going
How?
back up to civilization, shall we say.
Well, we're back to 21st century. Before we were in 16th or 17th century, I believe. This is how I felt, by the way, going under this unusual bridge, and the people were walking. I could hear above us. There is a beautiful, beautiful view coming up from that rocks, and it's amazing. Believe me or not, I felt very good.
Let's have a look at that view. A truly, truly spectacular view. And of course that is the rock formation that we have just come across, all the way from the furthest corner. And that was the view that we were consuming as we walked up. Absolutely spectacular. So, Graceva Booth, should we follow your rear end?
Yes.
Let's see where this pathway takes us to. So it's a beautiful wood constructed pathway, and then it drops down to the main boulevard, and then some more rock formations, which we're going to go and have a little quick look at. And then here is some olden walls from olden times, that's for sure. In fact, it's the entrance to an archaeological site, but to be honest, it's not the kind of thing that we're into. I understand some people are, but we're not. So if you want to come and see it, well, you can obviously go and pay the €2.50 and pop up there. How'd you say it? Graceva Booth on the sign over there?
Where
Right in
is
front of you there. Can you read it from this far?
You're joking now?
No, she can't read it from this
Do you
far.
think-
I can,
do you think
but I
I'm an
can't
eagle?
pronounce it. That's all.
I'm not an eagle. Ah,
I'm
let's
a
come.
thumper archaeological area.
Amathunta, yeah.
Amafunda archaeological area, and that's the little bridge that you go under, and you go up into there, and there's some columns and that kind of thing. So that's the way you go. But of course, it's not something that tickles our fancy, so we're going to keep going that way. And we'd like you to come with us, and we're going to show you some more beautiful rock formations. That's for sure. Have a look at that. And that is the Limassol skyline we can see in the distance, and it's now slowly but surely becoming skyscraper central. Everybody and his dog is building a 25+ story skyscraper because they've understood they can build an awful lot more apartments and hopefully make an awful lot more money. Look at that for a rock formation, Graceva Booth. Absolutely beautiful. Shall we see if we can get down onto it there?
We
And
can
then
get
walk that little
down,
bit?
yes.
Yeah, go on then. I'll follow you. Here we go. We're going to go a little bit off-roading again. As I say, we'll show you Cyprus in a totally different way to anybody else. No one else is as stupid as us or as adventurous as us. And perhaps they just don't want to fall over. Perhaps that's the reason on camera. You truly get some spectacular
We don't
views.
mind to fall over.
No, we don't really care about making fools of ourselves. We don't take life that seriously, shall we say. The channel is all about fun, having a good time, and hopefully we're sharing some of that with you, and hopefully some of you are having a good time with us as well. And we do hope that we're sharing you some spectacular views. There's a chappie going out on his cruising boat. He's off to do a bit of fishing or something like that. And of course there's the rear end again of Graceva Booth.
This channel is on about 3 things. Those views, your views, and of course, my views.
Well, it actually goes like this. This channel is about 3 things. Those views, your views, and of course, my views of the most beautiful woman in the world, and her name is Miss Graceva Booth. Now, we haven't done it for a while. Shall we tell the people what Graceva Booth means?
Yes.
Here we go. This is the movie star name that I created for Miss Marika, the love of my life. And here we go. Ochin.
Very
Graceva
beautiful.
Booth.
Love.
So, in plain, simple English, Ochin Graceva Booth means very beautiful love. And that's what she is. A very beautiful woman. And I love her with all of my heart. And she tells me that she loves me back with all of her heart. But we do understand that she's a very good liar indeed.
Oh,
Have a look at that.
have you seen that?
It's a beautiful rock formation,
Wow.
and the sea is beautiful, isn't it? You've got some glistening limestone in the bottom there, which gives it that beauty, the difference in the colours. Absolutely spectacular. And as usual, the water is, well, livening up. It's feeling a little bit hungry, and perhaps it wants to eat Mr. Paul's feet. So stick with us, you never know, we might fall over again. Have a look at that. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Truly great rock formations. And I think we'll get onto that rock over there, Graceva, and it could be time for you and your rear end to give a very goodbye to all of our wonderful watchers. She's not listening to a word I say, she just wants to show off her rear end. Up she goes.
I can listen to you, I can
Let me
hear
get up
you,
as well. Here we
I
go. I'm
can
gonna climb
see
up.
you.
It's not that easy when you've got a camera and you've only got one hand. But anyway, we're going to show you that view again. Spectacular view. Blue Mediterranean Sea off the coastline of downtown Limassol. The sun is licking and kissing it, glistening across the blue sea. And Graceva Booth is going to give us a very, very good goodbye.
I would like to tell you that these views is just worth seeing. I would like to tell you many, many thanks for watching. I would like to tell you not to forget, please, to come and see another of our madnesses. And I would like to tell you that we are loving you to bits, and many kisses from the bottom of our two hearts.
What's left to say is thanks for watching, and of course if you like what you see, hit the like, click subscribe, please come back for a little bit more of our madness. It doesn't get any better than that.
It's a secret we're keeping, whispers in the air. Family members coming from everywhere. Marika and Paul are waiting, can't be late. Counting down the moment till we celebrate. Shh, don't let it slip away. Tonight's the night we have to play. Surprise, surprise, it's a special day. Let's open the doors and shout hooray.